Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I'm going to be showing you how to make these baklava rolls. They're so delicious and a breeze to put together. They will impress everybody at your party and nobody knows how quick and easy they were to make. Now if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload 3 times every week. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with the filling to this baklava. It's very simple. I just have here 1 cup of walnuts and almonds that I'm finely chopping up. And I'm going to be adding these to the bowl along with a 1/2 cup of sugar, about a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Stir this up and this filling for the baklava is ready. Here I have a pound of thin Fillo sheets. I'm mixing a 1/2 cup of oil into a cup of melted butter, and this mixture is going to get lightly brushed onto the first layer of the Fillo. Then it's getting a light sprinkle of the nut mixture all over the top. Roll this up nicely like a cigar and give it another layer of the buttered Fillo. With both hands, press the baklava firmly onto the center of your pipe, then slide it onto your baking sheet. Repeat this process and you should end up with about 10 rolls. You can either use a 13x9 pan or I'm using this 11-inch circle. Once this is ready, before I pop it into the oven, I'm going to give it another brush of butter on top, and I'm going to cut the pieces beforehand because after this bakes up, it's very crispy, which makes it impossible to cut. After it's ready, I'm putting it into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about an hour. While that's baking, I'm going to make this syrup that gets poured all over this baklava. It consists of 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup of honey. This part is optional. I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick, which I love to infuse into this syrup. Let this simmer about 20 minutes and remove any of the foam that forms on top. I'm chopping some pistachios to top this baklava, which will add incredible flavor and presentation. I'm taking all of that incredibly rich, beautiful syrup and adding it to the slightly cooled baklava. Be sure to add all the syrup so it can fully soak up, which will take a few hours to get that real authentic texture. Top it off with those chopped pistachios and your delicious, mouth-watering baklava is ready. This is perfect for any dinner party or a celebration, which is sure to be a crowd pleaser. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Now don't forget that the recipe is always listed in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another quick and easy recipe.